Now guys, I'm going to check and troubleshoot this LG split type inverter AC, which is 2.5 HP. The compressor wasn't working, and also the outer fan motor. Now after troubleshooting, when I find out the defective component, I'll resume soon so that to impart what's the problem of this. Okay guys, see you. Now guys, let us test this after replacing the defective component of this. Let's see if it is working properly. Now this fan motor is spinning right now. You have to wait at least 3 minutes so that to turn on the outer fan motor and also the compressor. We're still waiting to turn on the outer fan motor and also the compressor. So now guys, the compressor is turning on and also the outer fan motor is spinning. So we have to test it for a longer time so that you can assure that it is working properly. So, so this is the compressor. It's working so far. So this is the compressor. We are testing the pressure. Now it's running speedier. So okay guys. By the way guys, the problem of this is the IPM, which we replace. This is the defective one. We replace this. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching of this video. Until the next video. Compressor is running speedier. Thank you for watching this video.